Topographic map colors. There's 5 basic colors. Brown. Brown is used for the contour lines. The contour lines are the lines of equal elevation. And I'll show you that in a little bit. Black are man-made features such as roads and trails. Blue are water. Green is vegetation. And then red, you get your highway and land grids. 2 minor colors. Pink, built up area for civilization. I have a map I use in the classroom that shows Richland. It's the Badger Mountain map. And on Richland, we have a lot of purple and pink because the original Badger Mountain map was made in 1965. 1965. They will not remake, you can see this map, they will not remake all the maps, but you can't see it maybe. But they've got a lot of purple additions up here. A lot of purple additions on this Badger Mountain map because they've updated the map. These are map symbols. You'll have woods. One of the maps I have is the Glacier Peaks. Glaciers high in the sky. It's got very little here. It's a brown, and then it's got green again. The green indicates woods. You've got shrubs, orchards, vineyards, mangroves. A lot of these you won't see on maps like orchards or vineyards. It depends on where you're going or what kind of maps you get. Marshes or swamps, those are important. I have a White Pass map, and it shows the Pacific Crest Trail, and you will see lots of shrubs, marshes and swamps labeled like this. It doesn't mean it's always standing water. These are submerged, but you can see these marshes and swamps, wood, submerged wood. I don't see these too much. Rice fields, wrong area. Land subject to inundation. I don't see that as much on our local maps, and most of the maps I use in our classroom are local. Okay, intermittent stream. We have a lot of maps with intermittent streams. The intermittent streams are a line and a dot, 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 like it shows here. Have any of you guys been to Zintel Canyon? Zintel Canyon, I make my students go there for a field trip. They have to go. We can't. It's hard for CBC to do official field trips. I do one anyway, case around. Zintel Canyon is a really good map. A lot of those students don't even know it's there. But coming into Zintel Canyon Dam are a lot of intermittent streams because they only are streams when it rains hard enough to cause it to be a stream. Okay, that's what it means by intermittent. And it'll look like this on a map. Perennial streams are straightforward. Intermittent river, you'll have those more in the areas as far as rivers go, maybe in the Arizona area where it is, when it rains, it pours. My surrogate son is a guide in the Grand Canyon area, and he always has to watch for rivers, weather because of the storms. When it rains on the desert, it's like this. It doesn't soak into the ground because it's like brick, so it runs off, and he's got to get his customers out of those canyon lands. Really important. These are perennial rivers. They go all the time. These are rapids and large falls and large rapids. Map symbols include built-up areas, buildings. You will see on the White Pass map, you will see the lodge. It'll be the White Pass Lodge. Schools, churches, these are more for areas if you're going to be in town, if you're going to be in towns, airports, highways, maps, dirt roads, bridges. You'll see a footbridge on maps. You'll see these footbridges on maps. Trails, definitely. Power lines, I have an example of a power line, and a railroad. Those are just simple map symbols. Okay,